The stars are my beacon.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Oh no, I forgot the eyebrow. So usually I just follow the pattern. So I'll go ahead and find a costume. Maybe not. Oh my gosh, it's cute. Ombre. Wow, pretty. Oh. So here's the second one. So we realized that we're not going to be Esmeralda without the anyway, we have here the purple scarf to slay the enemies. Oh my gosh, I forgot something. Wow, Esmeralda. I look like a senior attending a prom. Ah, my stars are my beacon.
Ginagawa mo.
Next time I'll just rent a costume. Maybe it looks legit. Anyway, this is my last day of having a brown hair. That's why I became ambitious and I wanted to look like Esmeralda before I move to my next favorite character. I'm going to dye my hair and it's a secret. Maybe I'll show it on my next video. Thank you so much for watching Esmeralda cosplay DIY challenge, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe, share. I'm already in epic rank and she's autoban fail. Just leave a comment down below and like and subscribe if you like the video, and I'll see you. Bye.